Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings, then tap General Management or System, then Language and Input. This path covers most Samsung phones running Android 11, 12, or 13. Select On-Screen Keyboard or Default Keyboard to view installed options and active apps. You can see Samsung Keyboard listed with other keyboards like Gboard. Tap Samsung Keyboard to access its settings and customization controls. Use these menus to change languages, layouts, themes, and sound preferences quickly and predictably. Install a keyboard like Gboard from the Play Store, then open its app to finish setup. Follow any permission prompts and enable the new keyboard in input methods. Return to default keyboard and choose the newly installed keyboard as active for typing. If you prefer, disable Samsung Keyboard in the on-screen keyboard list to avoid duplicate choices. You will now see the new keyboard whenever you tap a text field on your phone. In Samsung keyboard settings, enable one-handed mode or change keyboard size and layout for comfort. Adjust themes, key tap sound, vibration strength, and predictive text preferences to match your typing style. Use clipboard and smart typing options to enable text suggestions and automatic corrections. If you switch phones, use backup and restore to save keyboard settings to your Samsung account for easy recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.